Hello everybody, my name is Gabrielle Moses and this is a big day. It's a big video. I'm so excited to finally be making this. Sorry it's echoey-ish in here because we have no decorations up yet. So this is gonna be a kind of empty apartment tour, but not really because we have some stuff up. And so you guys are gonna be able to see like the before and then the afters, and I'll like explain all my visions for everything like as we walk through it. But I am so excited because it's happening. And yes, I'm living here with some roommates. Someone's doing some stuff outside right now. Of course, they just start lawn mowing or whatever as soon as I start filming. But yes, okay, so I live here with 3 other girls. I don't know if I'll show you their rooms, probably not because that's their own spaces. But 2 of them are in my sorority and another one is a friend of a friend. And it honestly is working out so freaking well. I'm excited. Look at all this natural light. Like guys, there's about to be so many videos in this apartment because it's just aesthetically pleasing, and the things we're gonna do to it, oh, you're gonna be like, oh, you need to own your own Pinterest section or something, I don't know. But here we go. Okay, so this is our lovely front door, and then you turn around and there's a bunch of doors right here. This is the water heater. Nothing really special about that. There's lots of dust. I think it needs to be cleaned, but I mean, it was like that when we moved in, so maybe I'll just leave it, pretend like I didn't see it. But yeah, it's double doors for the water heater. There's a light switch right here. I'm not gonna do that in depth for this tour, or else we'd be here for a really long time. And then what's really, really nice is we actually have in-unit washer and dryers right here. Makes life so much easier. And oh my gosh, my roommate came up with the smartest thing ever. I would have never thought about this. She put, you know those little smelly things that you put in like the washing machine before you put your laundry in, like the Unstoppables, I don't know what they're called. She put it in a cereal dispenser. Like, is that not brilliant? This is what you see whenever you walk in the door. So this is the hallway. And hello, now we're in the beautiful kitchen. Look at this. I feel like such an adult. Like, what the heck? This is not real life at all. Like, what? And we even converted our extra closet right here to a giant pantry. Because, you know, even though there's only 4 girls living here, we like food. Goldfish, you know, all the essentials, some storage. Yeah, I don't know why we made that our pantry, but that's what we decided to do. And then we're gonna walk into the kitchen this way. We have this huge, I should have gotten someone to help me film this huge island. Do you see how big this thing is? Like, I swear, I could lay on this, you saw my Instagram picture, I was literally laying on this thing. It's huge, look at this. Okay, but this is actually what the kitchen looks like. We have lots of fruits, healthy stuff, and then more storage, spices, cups, more cups up there, and then more stuff over here. Pretty basic. Then I think we have like more random storage down here, more random stuff in there. And then we've got a fridge. Do I need to explain the fridge? This is our dining room. We have absolutely nothing here right now, just because we just moved in like a week ago, or maybe it was a little bit, maybe a week and a half ago is when we moved in. So all of our decorations that we're eventually gonna put up are just kind of here. Like, none of this will be here in the final like tour, because this is just more wallpaper that we have. You'll see where that is in a second. It's actually right over there. I'm really excited for this because we're putting up LED lights. Literally, see up here, all the way around. Anyways, yes, we're gonna put LED lights literally everywhere. And then I think we're also gonna get a cute little like desk, not a desk, but like a cabinet area, make a coffee bar over here and put it like a giant mirror on this wall, because we're gonna get rid of this desk. And right now it's just honestly my dumping grounds. Like, if you can see, I just threw everything right there, like my umbrella just. But look, normally there's so much natural light in here. Like, this place is just like one big open room and I love it. It's honestly pretty basic. We just have a couch here, a coffee table, yeah, that's what it's called, a coffee table. We got a carpet in the other day, and this is the wallpaper that I was talking about that was sitting right over there. But it is like a marble print. We only put up half of it so far. because it may or may not have been like midnight when we decided to do that. But yeah, and our little decor or accent color is gonna be pink. And we don't really have much in here yet. Again, LED lights are gonna go at the top. It's gonna be cute, I promise. We have an idea, but it's just not there yet. And oh my gosh, here's a funny story. So all this right here in the corner was from when we decided to have bunnies. They weren't my buddies, they were my roommates' buddies. We had 2 of them here for about the first 3 nights. And they were so loud. Like, you wouldn't think bunnies would be loud, but these bunnies, like, I don't know what they did with their toys. They like chomped, like, I don't know. And it was honestly really messy. So then we found another home for them. And now we don't have bunnies anymore. But yes, we had bunnies for a little bit. It's just not an apartment animal. And then we also have big TV here. We just all, honestly, at nighttime, me and my roommates, we literally chill out in the kitchen, put on a movie, make bunch of junk food. I feel like a mom showing off her child. Okay, here it is. Like, just look at this view. I spent 2.5 hours cleaning this apartment just because I was kind of self-conscious about it, and I was just like scrubbing everything. And one of my roommates has the flu right now, so also needed to desanitize everything or sanitize everything. But look at this. Isn't she beautiful? Like the living room. Oh wait, living room. This is the living room. This is the kitchen area, and then this is gonna be the coffee area, and then the dining room. We're also getting matching rugs. That one is gonna be right underneath here too, and then we're also getting like a runner one that's gonna go right there. And then my other roommates' rooms are over here. This one is Allie's room, and then that one is Macy's room. But then, it's like I have my own entire wing of the apartment. If you walk this way, it's my room, but I'll show you my bathroom first, just because why not show you my bathroom? Because this is an entire apartment tour. We don't just half it. It's really, really, really basic right now. It's just, you know, storage space, more storage space underneath there, sink, me, hello, hi baby. Oh my god, why did I just say that? I'm sorry, just erase, forget. On this wall right here, I'm gonna put a ton of wallpaper, this wall behind me. And it's, you'll see the before and after, it's really cute. I'm not gonna tell you what it's gonna look like, so you're just gonna have to wait. Welcome to my bedroom. It's really basic and just super plain, bland, and neutral, but guys, it's gonna be so cute once it's done, because right here, so this is just my bed area, I'm getting a bright pink neon light for right there, and then I'm gonna get greenery to put all around it, because as you can see, I have like greenery here, and then over here is my makeup vanity. And see, I just have these shelves right here just for makeup brushes. So the neon light is gonna go literally like right here. There's a fan up there. And then I think I'm also gonna get some artwork to go there, and some more artwork stuff right here, because I don't know what to do with this wall. What, if you have any suggestions, please let me know, because I have no idea what to do, because I've been decorating and decorating and decorating, and now of course once I have my own room, I'm like, what do I do? But I was watching a little bit of Love is Blind. Love that show so much. Literally, I'm so addicted right now. See, and then I have this giant full body mirror from IKEA, which I just take lots and lots of Instagram pictures in it. And I know you're about to ask, where the heck is your outfit from, Gabrielle? Where's the joggers from? Because they look incredibly comfortable. Well, thank you for asking, because this video is actually sponsored by Fabletics. So thank you so much for supporting me. And I love Fabletics, you guys know that's not a secret of mine. I literally wear it every single day. Let me just give you a little bit of a better spin around of this outfit, because the back is the cutest part. Ready? You're not ready for this. Look at it, it's like an open back. It's absolutely adorable, and it's really, really comfortable. The pants, I love them too, because they're just so easy to lounge in. Like, I've just been cleaning my room, getting ready for this video, and I've had on my Fabletics outfits. And if you guys didn't know, whenever you do join Fabletics, if you become a VIP, you can get 2 pairs of pants, leggings, whatever you want for only $24. Guys, that is the biggest steal ever, because the quality is absolutely amazing. They're super, super comfortable. They fit so well too. They're leggings. Oh, you will see how much I have of it just because I am so addicted and obsessed. And you guys always ask me, where are my workout outfits from? Where are my lounge clothes from? Odds are it is from Fabletics because I am a dedicated person to Fabletics. I swear it's like my entire life now. But they have so many different options, and once we get into my closet, you're gonna be like, Gabrielle, honey, you have a problem. But it's okay because the size range is also absolutely fantastic. I think they have like extra small all the way up to 3X. So there's an amazing size range as well. But let me just show you my closet because then you'll just understand the addiction. Okay, so double doors to my closet right here. And boom, ba-da-doo, boom, 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 boom. Okay, yeah, I put all of my jewelry on the door with some command strips. Smartest thing I've ever done. On the other door, I have all of my hair ties and all my bracelets are down there. But then this is a nice little closet overview. So these are all my workout clothes right here. I love having everything in rainbow order so then I could just find everything a little bit better. And then all of this is also in color order along with like season. So these are sweaters in color order, long sleeves. And then tank tops and short sleeves all in color order. And then dresses over there, jackets right here. Your clothes kind of show who you are. It like allows you to express how you feel, like your mood. Like if you're just super happy one day, you can wear a bright colored shirt. Or if you want to just be like cozy, you can just be cozy in some joggers. Like, I don't know. It's something about clothing. I just absolutely love it. But yes, these are all my Fabletics. I absolutely love it so much. I really need to do like an in-depth like outfit type thing. I'm gonna put on some more outfits for you just because they're so freaking cute. Okay, I just could not help myself. I have to show you some super cute Fabletics outfits. Okay, so this first outfit is just shorts and a sports bra, but look at the detail. They are absolutely so cute and so comfortable, and there's compression shorts underneath, which is amazing for running, and there's even a phone pocket so you can run with your phone right here. Okay, outfit number 2/3. I guess this is technically outfit 3. This is just another lounge outfit. It's joggers and then this super cute shirt, but look at, there's like a cute little tie detail in it, and I just could sleep around all day in this or just Netflix and chill in it all day long. But I love the color purple too. There's so many different outfit and style choices on Fabletics as well. There's like such a wide range. Like whenever you think of Fabletics, it's not just leggings. They have running shorts, they have joggers like these, they have one pieces. Like they have so many different options that you guys just need to check it out for yourself, because like I became so addicted to it. So I don't know if I'm like helping you guys out or what, but you know, summertime's coming up. If you need a little bit of motivation to go to the gym, get yourself a cute outfit, because then you're like, I have to work out, but also whenever I work out now, I'm gonna be cute looking, or even if I'm not even planning on working out, I'm just gonna look cute. So like, hey, thank you Fabletics for hooking me up. I have one more outfit though, just because I know you will love it. And so I'm gonna change real quick and then I'll see you back in a sec. Okay, and here is the last outfit. It is biker shorts that are cheetah print, but not only are they cheetah print, they also have phone pockets in them, so whenever you work out, you can put your phone, your keys in them, and then this is just a nice little workout tank. And it's so comfortable. But guys, if you are interested in Fabletics, that will be linked at the top of the description, so be sure to check them out. And thank you so much Fabletics for sponsoring this video. But let's continue with this video. So there's tons and tons of storage in this apartment, which I absolutely love. Like in my desk right here, I just have all my makeup stuff like just scooted in there, but I also have like an entire dresser of makeup stuff in my closet too. Here, I'll just show you it because that's what we're doing. Maybe sometimes I have to do like an organizational, like how I do everything, but this right here, I don't know if you can see it. This right here is full of makeup too, because I'm kind of addicted to clothing and makeup. I feel like every girl is though, so it's okay. But then there's even more storage right here under the bed. Oh, it's kind of a mess, but there's storage there. And then my nightstand has more storage where I just literally have random stuff like Febreze for some reason. But my favorite part of my room by far is my carpet, because it's literally like furry bunny balls everywhere. Like, it's so soft. And guess what? I literally got it on sale. It was originally $4.50. Your girl got it for, I think it was $113. Like, is that not just the best deal ever? Then I have my little ottoman right here. But a carpet in a room just changes the entire vibe of this place. Like, it feels so much more homey. Sometimes whenever I'm just bored and I don't want to lay in my bed, even though it's like right there, I'll just lay on this carpet and chill. Like, does anyone else ever do that? Because I was one of my roommates came in my room one night. Somehow we just both ended up on the floor of my room, just like on TikTok, doing nothing for an hour and a half. And then we had like a movie playing up there. Like, is this not just the best setup ever? I just feel so homey already. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me in my kind of empty apartment tour. And I'm so sorry, my brain just bounces around like every 5 seconds. So thanks for putting up with me. But once I get everything situated in this apartment, I'll be sure to like have someone help me film like an actual apartment tour once it's all like situated and everything. So then it'll be a little bit less like But I am so excited for you guys to be able to see that, and hopefully that'll be like semi soon. Just the reason why we don't have a lot of decorations is because of everything that's going on right now, and so none of the stores are open, so we've just been like slowly ordering stuff online. But like, I'm the type of person that I can't really just order something online and be like, oh yeah, it'll be fine. Half the time that happens, and then I'm like, I'll make it work. But I'm like, I need to see it. I'm a very visual person. That's why I don't have like anything on the walls yet, and I know it's super bland, super neutrals, but I'm gonna get like some pops of pinks and whatnot in here, and it will be cute. I promise. I have a vision for it, and that vision is just, it's gonna come to life, and it will happen. I just keep repeating myself just because I have to convince myself that I have to go do that once all the stores open. But I like shopping, so it won't be that big of a deal. But again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what types of videos you guys want down below. Like, maybe I should do a roommate challenge. Like, do you guys want to meet my roommates and see what it's really like living with me? Maybe they'll spill some tea on me and say how terrible of a roommate I am. I don't know. Hopefully not. I like to think I'm a pretty decent roommate most of the time. But maybe that's something that I'll do just for you guys. Let me know. Comment that down below. Maybe if this gets 10,000 likes, I'll do a roommate challenge and have them like spill my deepest, darkest secrets or something. And don't forget, if you guys are interested in Fabletics, be sure to check them out at the top of the description. And hopefully I will see you very soon.